I just wanted to do this really quick. I guess I should call this the second Tyler video. I don't know. Dedicated to Tyler. Alright, I'm just showing stuff that I got. I know exactly what this is. This is the very first time I got cards off at Target, and went back really late at night, and there was only those things were left. Everyone kept saying, I don't want baseball, I don't want baseball. Okay. Wednesday, Thursday. Alright, so that's done. Okay, here's something. I got this on Thursday. Starting to be able to pick them up anywhere you want now. Then, and I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. Then on Thursday I got 2 of these. Then Thursday night I got 4 more, and then Saturday morning as well. Oh, sorry. Alright, so I got 6 of them on Thursday, and then these 2 were Friday morning. Alright, now, this is what I got at the Pittston Walmart on Friday. I got another, Elite Trainer box, but this one is the one with the colorful birds on it. It's the Hidden Fates, but I can't think. Oh, these are the Hidden Fates. Okay, not the Shining Fates. Okay, that's why. And it says, Trading Card Game, Hidden Fates, Pokemon Trading Card Game, Elite Trainer Box warning, choking hazard, blah, blah, blah. Okay, no one wants to hear that. But yeah, I was like, I could have got one of these on Thursday or Wednesday, but the guys were being real pigs about the Pokemon stuff. And I already had mega boxes of Chronicles, Select, and Prism Basketball, so I didn't really fight with them. And then it's funny, I picked up one of these things the other day for, I think, Zatarazan or something. So I went to get another one because the guy said it was good. And then I thought that's what it was, but this one's Zacian, Zacian. So I'm just curious how much that was. Pokemon cards. Okay, that was the same as Wednesday. No big deal. Okay. Alright, so that was... Well, I had another Pokemon. Here's the other Pokemon. It's just a deck builder. It's one of those, the V-Battle deck builders. I can't remember what the character's name is that's on the front there. But yeah, I got those 3 Pokemon things. And the rest is cards. And a Coca-Cola. Alright, a vanilla Coke to be precise. NFL, NBA. Oh, and I got a pack of Pokemon cards too, somewhere. I forgot about that. So, NFL, NBA, NHL, NFL, and something that says sports cards, and then MLB, which I think is a Bowman box, because I know I got another one of those. Oh. Sports cards. Wow. Sports cards is the UFC. Wow. They're only $19. And no one wanted it. Everyone was pushing it to the side. And I saw it, and I'm like, give me that. And the guy's like, here, take it. I was like, thank you. I took it. But yeah, I didn't even realize that I got a Chronicles Mega Box. I mean, boom. I was like, I knew I got the Chronicles Blaster, I knew I got the Prism, and I knew I got the Upper Deck Hockey tin, and I knew I got the Bowman Blaster Box. That's what was left by the time the guys that were supposed to take one item per box were taking 3 or 4 Prism basketballs. One guy got like 4 Prism basketballs, Mega Box. Then there was guys taking multiple Select Football Blaster Mega Boxes, and then there was guys taking the Chronicles. And like, I just assumed that they were all gone. I didn't realize that I got one. So I'm happy with that. I'll put the tin in first. Put the Chronicles second. I'll put the receipt third. Then I'll put the Chronicles Blaster, which I didn't show you. Sweet. I got like 6 of these the other day. I'm happy. Then I'll throw the Bowman Blaster in next. And then the reason the video is called the Tyler 2, because this is the second box of UFC that I got in this week. I'm so pumped. I remember doing the Superman music the last video, the Tyler one, when I showed the Prism. So, and I got NBA Hoops, the premium stock. I went to Taylor. Is this the Taylor? Oh no, this is still the Pittston. Yeah, some guy, I think guys were getting pissed because guy took like, they said 15 or 18 packs of these, what the heck are they called? NBA Hoops, the premium stock. So I was like, all right, I thought they were all gone, and I looked, and there was still like, there was two big boxes of them. So there was still maybe, I don't know, 20, 25 of these left. And I said, okay, that asshole wants to take like 15 to 18. I said, I'm grabbing 3. And the guy said, well, you're not supposed to do it. I said, really? And you're letting people, not the guy that was running it, but like one of the guys that were behind me. And I said, you do the same thing. I said, I'm taking 3 of them. I could have taken 10 of them if I wanted to. No one was going to stop me after those guys took freaking multiple mega boxes. Guys are supposed to take one thing, and they were taking like 3, 4, 5 mega boxes. I only took 1 Chronicle. I should have took more of these, but there was hardly any of them, so I figured let other people have some. I shouldn't have, because I went to Taylor, and these guys. All right, hold on. All right, and that was the Pokemon thing. I said I bought 1 pack just because. It's because I've never seen that character on the front of the thing before, so, because this one's Battle Styles. So, I picked that up. I'm going to put that in the Pokemon bag. Alright, and this will be my little premium hoops bag. But, yeah, it was absolutely ridiculous. I don't really care, because, like I keep saying, I'm spending so much money on this stuff, but I got good stuff, so I'm happy. It's just, I should have had either a Prism Basketball Mega Box or a Select Football Mega Box. There was enough there for everybody to get one. And those guys they're just scumbags. I don't like to say that because I don't know them personally, but it was the guy's name is Josh. The vendor, it was his last day, and I love that guy. He's a great guy. He was just like, he said, screw it, just like, go here, take it. He just wanted to get the hell out of there. I don't blame him. But like, if there was any semblance of order today, I definitely would have gotten either a Select Football Mega or I would have gotten a Prism Basketball Mega. But the fact that I got a Chronicles Mega, I'm happy. And I thank that guy too, because that guy's a great guy. I really like him. He's a really good guy. All right. Then I went to Taylor, and they were harassing the worker at Taylor so bad it was ridiculous. I really don't care. I mean, the guy seemed like a good guy. Matter of fact, you're only supposed to take one of each thing. I said, give me some of those hockey stickers. And the guy's like, how many do you want? I'm like, whatever I'm allowed. And he grabs 3 packs because I thought he was going to give me one. He goes, how about 3? And I'm like, that's great. I mean, I would have taken 50 if he offered me 50 because they're like 90 cents. So I got 3 packs of that. So it was funny. I walked over. I said, okay, so how does this go? And he's like, I said, is it just one or is it 2 of everything or just 2 or is it 1 of everything? And he goes, the way I do it is I let people take 1 of each sport. And I go, okay. So I walked over and I go, I want that blue basketball pack. So I got the Premier stock. Then I go, I want a green football pack. So I got a Chronicles. And then I go, I want that blue baseball box. So it was Bowman. Where's that? So I got the Bowman blaster. So that was good. Then I got, and then I said, I want that soccer tin. Boom. So I got the soccer tin. And then I said, and for hockey, I want a pack of those stickers. And he saw how small they were. And he's like, he offered to give me more of them. I was like, yeah, I'll take them. But yeah, but I mean, the guys kept circling. They would go and they would pay. They would get back in line. And they would grab more of these, and they would get back in line and grab more of these. And then finally, some lady was a total bitch. Like, I tried to be nice to her, and I let her cut in front of me. I said, you got food? And she's like, I'm like, ma'am, I'm trying to be nice to you. I said, these other people are cutting in front of you, and they're making fun of you. And she's like, and I forget what she said. Well, she said, that's not the line. I said, yeah, that was the line. That's the original line. I said, you made up your own line because she pissed me off. So I was like, fuck you, bitch. I just started, hey, you made up your own line. I said, I'm nice enough to let you cut in front of me. And then finally she just stopped being an asshole to me. And then she started bitching to the cashier. And one of the other guys in line, I think it was in front of her that just bought it. He said, hey, yo, you started your own line. I was like, yep, that's what I just said. She started her own line and then bitched at us. Like she's trying to cut in front of us. And I let her cut. I didn't care. She wasn't going to buy cards. And by the time I got done, I looked and I said, there's like maybe 3 or 4 hoops packs left. And there was like maybe 4 or 5 Chronicles packs. And I said, I'm not going to wait around in line again. And there's nothing there. So I took off. All right, now what is this? This is when I came back to school. All right, so that was Taylor. It's up near North Scranton or West Scranton, Northwest Scranton, whatever. All right, so then I went to Tunkhannock, and I didn't know what these were. And I was asking people today. They said, "Oh, they're garbage. Don't even bother with them." But it was like cheap, like $7. I saw this. I said, "I'll grab a Pokeball." The lady started laughing. She's like, "That's what they're called, Pokeballs?" She was like, "Poke your balls." I start laughing. So that was Tunkhannock. Then, I forgot. Early in the morning when we went to Pittston Walmart, after they got done like taking all the good stuff, I went over to the shelf because sometimes the guy puts out some decent stuff. And I said, "Hey, I bought one of these the other day." And I was like, I bought a green one. Now there's I thought it was red and white, but it's red and I guess black. Red and black with a green stripe. So now I got all 4 different colored Pokeballs. I got a thing of Diamond Kings, blaster box, and then an opening day pack, like a hanger. They're only $5, so I mean, everyone's like, "Oh, I wouldn't walk across the street to buy that shit." I agree, but hey, it's something cheap. And knowing what I know from being a hockey breaker, cheap boxes come in handy. All right, and then I made my way back to Taylor after I went to Tunkhannock, and I got Diamond King Blaster, Opening Day Blaster, NHL rookie sets, the stuff that I got from Hometown. I got five of them, and then I got another soccer tin. These soccer tins are awesome. All right, video's over. 15 minutes.